Hi. Welcome back to the Animated Crypto channel. In the previous episode, we discovered Polkadot, and today we will discuss about KUSAMA. The creator behind the KUSAMA network is the same Dr. Gavin Wood, and the project was developed by the nonprofit Web3 Foundation, but it was launched in August 2019, almost a year earlier than Polkadot. From a technological standpoint, Polkadot and KUSAMA are identical. KUSAMA, like Polkadot, is a decentralized network for independent blockchain networks known as parachains, with the same unique feature of a relay chain. On both ecosystems, the relay chain coordinates the governance and communication of the parachains, while the parachains are separate blockchains that connect to the relay chain for security and interoperability. The purpose of the parachains is to host smart contracts and decentralized applications. So, you might be wondering, why would we need two identical networks? Well, KUSAMA's role, as envisioned by its founders, was to become a testing network, or as the team called it, a canary network. To understand where the term canary network came from, we need to go back to the expression a canary in a coal mine. It's a reference to the caged birds that miners around the years 1800 and 1900 used to bring with them into the mines. If dangerous gases were collected in the mine, the gases would cause the bird to stop singing, thereby providing a warning to immediately exit the tunnels. After a short travel back in time, I think it's time to return to the present and find out why KUSAMA is so important for Polkadot. KUSAMA allows new developers who want to obtain a parachain slot on Polkadot to come and test in a real environment before launching on Polkadot. Many other crypto projects use a testing network, but none are like KUSAMA, being the perfect place to test in real economic conditions. The difference between KUSAMA and other testing networks is that KUSAMA has real stakes, having its own token, and although the total money used in the ecosystem is smaller than on the Polkadot network, it offers developers enough incentives to take things seriously and try things that can be applied in the real world even if they are slightly risky. KUSAMA serves as a testing ground, allowing teams and developers to build and deploy a parachain by testing, experimenting, and continuously adapting in an effort to find and stabilize a viable product that can be launched later on Polkadot. Also, during the development, projects can grow their community by being transparent about what they plan to do and also delivering everything they promised, and once they launch on Polkadot they already have a community behind them. For example, a parachain wins a slot on KUSAMA. The project begins construction, and once everything is functional, as the developers intended, they can participate in a slot auction on Polkadot. Once they win the auction on Polkadot, as both ecosystems have the same architecture, the project can easily move to Polkadot with the validated product. Additionally, if the project wants to continue developing, it can keep both slots, the one on KUSAMA allowing them to test and verify new updates before launching them on Polkadot. So we can confidently say that the KUSAMA ecosystem represents the most realistic testing network. Although the technology behind the networks is the same as of Polkadot, I must mention two quite important differences between the two. The source code of the KUSAMA network has not passed a security audit by a third party, which means it can be unstable and cause unexpected effects and system failures. Developers need to understand this small risk and establish technical and organizational measures regarding data security for potential clients. Another difference, which is an advantage for KUSAMA, is the time for non-transaction related processes, which are 4 times faster than on Polkadot. If we understand the role of KUSAMA clearly, we also need to understand the following aspect. The KUSAMA network will exist as long as its community maintains it, with a continuous demand for its functionality, but I personally believe that Dr. Wood's and his team's plan is for both Polkadot and KUSAMA to work together and bring value to the crypto space. Therefore, KUSAMA has a high significance in the development of the Polkadot network, with the ultimate goal of ensuring that Polkadot, along with each of its parachains, represents the most tested and validated ecosystem in the crypto space. Don't forget, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe because there will be very interesting videos that will help you discover the Polkadot and KUSAMA ecosystems.